you guys doing? I'm Ernesto. I play Riley Washington, an American filmmaker who was also the main character in the movie. Today is scene 51.
You know, I'd say this movie is about, you know, how things can, you know, personally, I think this movie is mostly, has a lot to do with the way, c'est l'histoire d'un...
A year ago today, 119 people died in Toronto when a bomb exploded aboard a train entering the Toronto Union train station.
I remember everything about the day I was born. I was born Beverly Randolph. Now, I'm Orlando.
I don't care about that. I was doing a job, like all the citizens. I don't believe in the hippie bullshit.
I think it'll revolve around the state of things before shit hits the fan, globally, you know.
It'll make you think if you're really up for it. If you're a real survivor. You should come to Toronto with us. Show you where the real action is.
That discomfort, it grows and it begins to define itself. And then there's no doubt. You get it. I am born in the wrong body.
Claims that the suspect had in fact escaped and fallen off the map, or that he had become the victim of satanic rituals.
What motivates you to do anything else besides watch?
Or sometimes you had to make the body disappear. Some girls just disappeared from existence and no one will ever find them.
Le principal suspect dans l'enquête des attentats terroristes de Toronto serait basé ici même, à Montréal. Burchill prétend que le suspect ferait partie d'une cellule terroriste ayant des membres à travers l'Amérique du Nord, appelée les survivants du Temple.
This is the real story of Riley Washington. How's that? Was it okay? Should we do another one?
Crois-tu à ça, toi, des histoires, tu sais, de théorie du complot?
The truth is, I want to challenge my usual creating process. I want to let, you know, each interview guide me.
This is a movie about Riley, who is an American filmmaker who is visiting and moving to Montreal, and he gets framed for a terrorist attack that occurs while he's he's producing this documentary. And you know, through this documentary that is part of the film also, we are able to go into these tiny universes of very different and interesting people. You know, it allows us to talk about different topics.
We talk about sex work, we talk about science, the science community, we talk about police corruption.
It's a little crazy sometimes.
Toronto.
As a producer, I kind of insisted, I pushed for me as a main character, you know, in terms of, you know, time and logistics and, you know, financial, you know, mostly.
I agreed to rewrite the character for him because we would be able to shoot for long periods of time and not pay ourselves. And the budget structure basically is that we've stretched this shoot over a long period of time. We've been shooting for 7 months, because we're self-financing. So we thought that it would be interesting to do a crowdfunding campaign because obviously it would allow us to go get the money that we need to complete the production, but also it would allow us to create a fan base even before the completion of the movie. Get people motivated, get people excited about the film, about the topics that we're trying to talk about.
To pay our actors and to cover post-production costs.
The movie's almost done. And contribute.